Hello guys, now in this particular video we will be installing the Visual Studio Code because we will use this IDE to write our shell scripts. Okay, so let me tell you how you can install it in an easy way. So here is the Ubuntu software. From here you can install multiple softwares. Now you have to just search for the Visual Studio Code, and it will take some time to load. Let's wait. Um, So, but before that, let me tell you about what is Visual Studio Code. So, it's basically one of the IDE which we use to write our codes. You can write code in any language which you want, from C++ to Java, Python, everything. Okay. So here you can see the review is also good. Now you have to just click on this install. So it will take some time for installation. Uh, let's wait. Okay, it is installed now. What now we have to do? We have to just click on this show applications, and here's just search for the VS Code or Visual Studio. It may be, yeah, here you can see the Visual Studio Code. Now you just click on it and it will open up like this, and this is something okay. So here you can see you need to open some folder. Let me click on open folder, and on the desktop I want to create one folder like plus I will create the shell scripting tutorial. Okay, just click on create and you're done. You have to just click on open. Don't save, I don't want, this is some kind of file. Okay, let's wait. I think the system is lagging because of the low RAM. Actually I'm running it in the Ubuntu machine, sorry, in VirtualBox. That's why it's happening like this. Now here I will create just one simple script, that is 01 test.sh. I will create, sorry, I have entered comma there. Again I will create 01 test.sh. okay, so here you need to add the shebang. This symbol is called shebang. Bin bash echo, you have to just write here hello world and you are good to go. You have to just open up the terminal here, new terminal, and you will need to just add the permission for this particular file, that is 01 test.sh, and you need to just execute it dot slash 01 test.sh. okay, let me just do ls why it's not executing. Okay, dot slash 01 test.sh. why it's showing by no such file or directory. Okay, I think I have by mistake written like this. Okay, so here you can see hello world. Okay, so in this way we can write our scripts in this ID and we can easily run it. Okay, so that's all for today's video guys. I hope you successfully installed, and in our further videos we will start with the basic concepts of the shell scripting. So that's all for today's video, and I will meet you in the next one. Thank you for watching.